Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at part 11 of our Tamiya TT-02D Drift Spec Toyota Supra build series. We're going to be working on steps 36 through 39, which is to install the body posts, the front bumper, and the battery stay. This is going to be a quick video, so let's get started. First, we're going to need the two B6. These are the rear body posts. Then we're also going to need two of these MB2 screws. These are the ones with the hex head. We're going to be putting the body post into this slot right here, like that. But for whatever reason, to line up your car body with the body post, you may want to install it this way instead. That is also an option. I'm also going to be applying these warning decals. All right, let's move to the front body posts. And we're going to need the B5s and two of these MB2 screws again. Okay, I believe there was an on and off decal earlier that I didn't put on, so I'm going to put that on now. Looks good. All right, for step 38, we're going to need the urethane bumper, part B7, and two of these MA2 screws. Need to make sure the holes line up, and we're going to put screws on the inside hole. I already put on the antenna tube, but if you have it, this is the time. All right, and now we're going to work on step 39, which is just the battery stay. And for this step, we're going to need part D1 and two of these MC9 snap-on pins. We are completely done building the TT-02D chassis. And you can use this video for pretty much any of the TT-02 variants. In the next video, we're going to work on painting the Toyota Supra body. First thing we're going to do is cut it out. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.